Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everyone. And also happy Father's Day to any dads that are out there listening. So, you guys know what that means. We have new Dollar General digital coupons to go over. Now, we don't have a whole lot, I think, because it is a holiday today, but we still do have some pretty good deals. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It is a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to go over is the giveaway information. Now I promised you all that we would do a giveaway when we hit 10,000 subscribers. And you guys made that happen, and it happened during the clearance event on that Saturday. So that just made my whole weekend. That was so awesome. Thank you all so much for all of your support. So I thought it was just the right thing to do. I filmed my clearance event haul video yesterday. This has kind of been a busy week, but I've got that all wrapped up and ready to go. I'm going to post that video tomorrow. The rules for the giveaway will be included in that video. So make sure you hit that bell and turn your notifications on so that you do not miss out on watching that video and entering to win in this giveaway. I am very excited about it, and I hope that you guys are too. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into these new Dollar General digital coupons. So we don't have a whole lot going on today. This is going to be a pretty short, quick video. I'm guessing because it's Father's Day. There's not a whole lot of coupons in the newspaper today either. So I'm just going to completely pass on running out and picking up a newspaper. But let's go ahead and go over these new coupons. We do have a few good deals. So we have, of course, your 5 off 25. The 1 off 1 DG Health Hydrocortisone Cream. Those are $2.25. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $1.25. We have 150 off 1 Airwick starter kit, so those are $3.35. So after the coupon, you'll pay $1.85. We've got Lando Frost. I couldn't get that one to pull up. 1 off 1 20-pound bag of Tidy Cats cat litter. These are $5.50, so after the coupon, you'll pay $4.50. Of course, we've got our sunscreen. We've got $1.50 off 1 Visine product. Now, keep an eye out on your Ibotta accounts. Sometimes when we get coupons for Visine, we'll also get a rebate. So that could turn into a really good deal, but the Visine starts out at $4, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying at $2.50. Next up, Palmolive. So we still have that instant savings of when you spend $10 on Palmolive, Colgate. There's a lot of brands included. You'll instantly save $3 at the register. So I will probably be trying this deal out. We have the Palmolive dishwasher packs, 36 count. These are $9, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $6. We have Rexall vitamins, Finish. Here's one you may want to look out for. Now, this one does attach to the 14 count dishwasher packets. They're $3.25, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2.75. But if you want to get a higher count, like the 22 count, this 50-cent is also attaching to it, but we have higher value coupons. I have $1.25 and $1.50 off. That is working on the 22 count dishwasher tablets that are priced at $6.50. So check your accounts, see what you want to do there. Some more sunscreen. We've got 3 off 2 for the All or Snuggle products. Certain ones are on sale this week, 2 for $8. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $5 for 2. More sunscreen. And we have 1 off 1 for the True Living Bath Tissue Ultra Strong or Ultra Soft 12 Mega Rolls. So these are priced at $8.95. So after the coupon, that will leave you paying $7.95. We have Aveeno Benadryl. The cream is $4.65, so that will leave you paying $3.65 after the coupon. Then we have 50 cents off of the True Living Ultra Paper Towels, 2 big rolls. So those are $2.50, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $2. Then we have Pepcid Imodium and Lactaid. 1 off 1 for the Angel Soft Ultra 12 Mega Rolls. So these are $11 after the coupon. That will leave you paying $10. Next up, we have 75 cents off of the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid. I can never find that at my stores, but I'll go ahead and clip it. We have $3.05 off of the Kingsford charcoal. So the 16-pound bags this is attaching to are priced at $12. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $8.95. Then we have 4 off 1 for the Skintimate Bloom razors. You can pick up the blooms. They are $8. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $4. This also works on the Chic Intuition razors. They are priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $3.50. Here we have another really good Palm Olive coupon. That should stack with that instant savings. So the Palm Olive dish sprays are priced at $4. So after this $1.50 off 1 coupon, that will leave you paying $2.50. Next up, 3 off 1 for the pull-ups. Those are priced at $10. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying $7. Then we have 25 cents off of the Rexall, I do not know how to say that word, but it's the alcohol 32 ounce or the hydrogen peroxide. Now, whenever I look this up, it is attaching to the alcohol that's priced at $3.25. There may be other ones that it attaches to in the store. This is just what I'm pulling up from home. But the 32 ounce alcohol is priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $3. However, it's also attaching to the 32 ounce hydrogen peroxide. That's only priced at $1. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying just 75 cents. So that's a pretty good deal. Next up, we have a dollar off 1 for the Tide Simply Liquid Laundry Detergent 150 ounce. These are $10.95, so after the coupon, you'll pay $9.95. Now, I'm going to pass because we still have that Tide 2 off 1 coupon from last week that is glitching on the Tide Simply. I think it was the 75 ounce, so I'm going to pass on that one. We have 2 off 1 for the Gain laundry products, so those are priced at $6.95. After the coupon, that'll leave you paying $4.95. We have 3 off 1 for the Tide Pods or the Tide Liquid. This is the larger count. I think it's 54 count. And then the larger jugs of liquid laundry detergent. These are priced at $17.95. So after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $14.95. Next up, 150 off 1 Glade. Now there's a lot that is included in this. You've got the plug-in starter kits. You've got the 2-count oil refills, the Freshmatic like auto spray refills, the 2-count candles, and the 3-wick 1-count candle. Hopefully that makes sense, but they're all priced at $5, so after the coupon, that'll leave you paying $3.50. Here's a really good one. We have, well, I don't know if it's really good, but it's 1 off 2 for the Lysol disinfecting wipes. Now, I will have to look that up and update you guys in the Good Deals and Glitchless video. I'll have to check my store and see if I can find a price because it was not pulling up for me this morning. Didn't want to cooperate. So, but go ahead and clip it because who doesn't need Lysol wipes? And a lot of this hand sanitizer, Lysol wipes, antibacterial sprays and stuff, a lot of that stuff is on clearance now because the stores were just like overloaded with it. So, yeah, could find a really good deal. Next up, we have buy one, get one free on the American greeting cards. This one actually expires today, so I'm not sure when that popped up. But if you need to run out today and pick up a last-minute Father's Day card, you can buy one for $1 and get one for free, so you'll pay $1 for 2. Next up, we have 75 cents off of the tea. It's 24 bag box. This one wasn't attaching from home anyways, but they are priced at $2, so after the coupon, that would leave you paying $1.25. Definitely scan before you go up to the register when you are using digital coupons and make sure that the coupons do attach. Alright guys, so there you have it. Short, sweet, and simple little video for us this Sunday. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a happy Father's Day. Now, before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out whenever I post the video tomorrow for the giveaway. Also, please give the video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, or if you want to let me know what your plans are, what you're doing today for Father's Day, just leave me a comment down below. And also, if you have a minute, share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.